Dictionary in Python is much like a regular dictionary where one word links to another. But they are much more potent in Python as we are not restricted to only using words and texts. We often say that what we store in a dictionary is key-value pairs. For example, we could store names linked to phone numbers. In code, that would look something like this. What we see here is how we first create the dictionary and fill it with some data. Then, how we can later access that data. Another example of how we could use a dictionary is to have it store how many times each word appears in a text that we ask the user to enter. Or why not use a dictionary to store the result of a calculation so that we do not have to redo the calculation later if we call the function again. Like in this example here, where we calculate the Fibonacci sequence. Dictionaries are used in a lot of programming, and the examples we have seen here is just a sneak peek at the basic functionality of them.